scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are studying and enjoying this chapter very much, right? So, today we'll start with the new topic in the new way. Last video we have done about the middle Himalayas. Now there is turn about the lesser Himalayas and what it is also known as the Shivalik ranges. So let's start and recall first what are the things which we have studied in the last video. So children, we have seen that middle Himalayas are found between the greater and the lesser Himalayas, right? See? ये इमेज देख के याद आया होगा आपको. Yes. Then we have seen that there are the thick forests in the Himalayas in which there are trees of pine, oak, fir, walnut, spruce and juniper. Right? These are the different names of the trees which are found in the thick forests of the middle Himalayas. Children, today what we will study? We are going to study about the lesser Himalayas and we will see the hard words of this video. So let's start with the lesser Himalayas. First children, you should know that lesser Himalayas are the southernmost range of the Himalayas with an average height of 900 meter and 1200 meter. If you remember, in the last we have seen about the heights of the greater and the middle Himalayas. Today we see this is the lesser Himalayas which is in the southmost Himalaya ranges. मतलब साउथ की साइड पे ये जो हिमालय है उसके नीचे की साइड पे हिमालय जहाँ पे खत्म होने को आता है वहाँ पे शिवालिक रेंजेस होता है and this is almost about 900 मीटर to 1500 मीटर का हाइट होता है उसका. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. कितना हाइट होता है 900 मीटर टू 1200 मीटर ऑफ दिस लेसर हिमालयाज और वो कहाँ पे होता है साउथ साइड पे. हिमालयाज जहाँ पे खत्म होने को होते हैं साउथ ऑफ द हिमालयाज पे होता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. नेक्स्ट इज दिस रेंज इज made up of mud, sandstone and soft rocks. 3 चीजों से बना होता है mud, sandstone and soft rocks. Children, I can ask you in exam that Himalayas, in one word also it can be asked, Himalayas which is made up of mud, sandstone and soft rock. तो कौन सा बना होता है lesser Himalaya और Shivalik ranges. Okay, greater Himalaya is covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay. So this is about the making of the, or you can say formation of the lesser Himalayas. You can see in the picture किस चीज से बना होता है. mud होता है, sandstones होती है और soft rocks होते हैं. Okay, it's unlike greater Himalaya कि पूरा snow से हो. Then children, this is very interesting that पूर्वांचल ranges जो होते हैं that is north east to India. इंडिया के नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड पे क्या होता है पूर्वांचल रेंजेस. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दैट उसमें कौन से स्टेट्स होते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड पे. आसाम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा, नागालैंड, मेघालय एंड मिजोरम. These are the states which are covered in the northeast of the India and it also lies in the Purvanchal ranges. There are many other hills also which lies in the Purvanchal ranges. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Mizo. These are the different hills which are found in the Purvanchal ranges. So it's all about the state and hills of the Purvanchal ranges. Now, do you know children that lesser Himalayas में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स भी ग्रो हो सकते हैं. राइस जैसे कि क्रॉप्स ग्रो हो सकते हैं जैसे कि राइस होता है, वेजिटेबल्स, पल्सेस एंड शुगर कैन. दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स विच वी कैन ग्रो इन द लेसर हिमालयाज. उसका वेदर काफ़ी सूटेबल होता है टू ग्रो द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ crops. You can see how greeny or how fresh these crops look like. Okay, there is one more interesting thing about Lesser Himalayas, that terrace farming is practiced on the slope of this region. Now, what is this terrace farming? Children, you can see in the picture how these mountains are cut down into the steps. वो लोग ऐसे steps में cut down कर देते हैं, and then crops are grown, and these people do the farming over here. You can see what it is written in this type of farming. The slopes of the hills, मतलब ये जो slopes होते हैं, they are cut into the steps. वो different steps में cut होते हैं. Crops are grown on them so that they can easily climb. वो लोग माउंटेन को क्लाइम करना डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट इफ इट इज कट डाउन, the slopes are cut down into the steps, then it is easy for them to climb and they can do the farming easily over there. So this type of farming which is cut down into the steps, this type of farming is called as the टेरेस फार्मिंग. क्या बोला जाता है? टेरेस फार्मिंग, एंड इट इज practiced in the lesser Himalayas. Children, this terrace farming is very important. It can be asking the exam what is terrace farming and where it is practiced in the Himalayan ranges. So it is when the slopes of the hills are cut down into the steps and their crops are growing, this is called terrace farming and it is practiced in the lesser Himalayas of the Himalayan ranges. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, this was all about the lesser Himalayas. Please go through the student's book once again so that it will be very clear to you. Now we will study the hard words of this video. First one is Purvanchal. Purvanchal is the ranges which lies in the northeast of the India. और उसमें मणिपुर, आसाम, Meghalaya, Nagaland, different types of states are also covered. And कौन से hills होते हैं? जैंतिया, गारो, खासी. These are the different hills which are covered in the Purvanchal ranges. Then terrace, we have seen about the terrace farming. Next one is Jaintia. This is the hill of the Purvanchal ranges. Then average. Average means approximate height कितना होता है of middle Himalaya or lesser Himalaya. Average means approximate. And then it is the slopes. I hope this is clear to you. Slopes का मतलब पता होता है, hill type होता है, that is the slope. So these are all about the hard words of this video, and please maintain the proper notes. Study this chapter very well from the textbook as it is very lengthy chapter. Okay, till the next video, take care of yourself, stay home and study at home properly. Bye bye.